In this demonstration, we will review the steps to restore M365 Exchange and OneDrive to an alternate account. To perform a restore for Microsoft Exchange or OneDrive, a user must have the Security Officer role. Perform a restore from any of the following: the All Devices dashboard, the M365 Backups dashboard, or by clicking the device and selecting a restore option from the drop-down. Connect to Microsoft 365 using Global Administrator credentials. The restore steps for Exchange and OneDrive are similar. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will step through restoring a Microsoft Exchange account. Click Next. Select the mailbox to restore, and click Next. Select the backup session and folders to restore. Deselect the Calendars folder to avoid resending calendar event notifications. Click Next. Select a restore location. Exchange items from an active account can be restored to either the same account or an alternate account. In this example, we will restore to an alternate account. Select a destination account from the drop-down. Under the restore location, options include auto-generated, the location of restore based on item type, username, and restore data. Original restores data to the original location. And custom, which restores data to a location selected from a predefined list of existing folders. Click Next. Review and confirm the restore summary. Restoral to an alternate location is identified by a blue label alongside the account name. Click Restore. The files are queued for restore and the process may take a few minutes. Click Finish. The alternate account indicator also appears next to the restored account under the Audit tab.